Hi guys, our today's video about best 575-inch TVs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentions in this video, you may check the link in description box below. And now let's continue. Starting at number 5, TCL 75-inch 4K Smart TV with superior 4K Ultra HD, Mini LED technology, quantum dot technology and contrast control zones. TCL 6 series combines stunning 4K HDR and Mini LED technology in a bold, brushed metal design for a superior TV experience. Quantum dot technology and the HDR Pro pack with Dolby Vision combine for greater brightness and contrast, as well as a full palette of rich colors. TCL's contrast control zone technology optimizes the image across individual zones to yield striking contrast between light and dark areas. The 6 series model's AIPQ engine uses machine learning algorithms to optimize color, contrast, and clarity for an unrivaled 4K HDR experience. Easy voice control lets you control your entertainment using just your voice. Gain a competitive edge with the world's first TV featuring THX certified game mode combined with variable refresh rate and auto game mode for a smoother, optimized gaming experience. Plus, the Roku OS provides seamless access to thousands of streaming channels, your cable box, Blu-ray player, gaming console, and other devices without flipping through inputs or complicated menus. The super simple remote with about half the number of buttons on a traditional TV remote puts you in control of your favorite entertainment. At number 4, Sony X90J 75-inch TV with Dolby Vision HDR and Alexa compatibility, cognitive processor, XR full array LED and XR contrast booster. Sony BRAVIA XR X90J has some unique features that makes it great. Like cognitive processor XR, revolutionary TV processing technology that understands how humans see and hear to deliver intense contrast with pure blacks, high peak brightness, and natural colors. XR Triluminos Pro, rediscover everything you watch with billions of accurate colors and see impressive picture quality that is natural and beautiful to the human eye. Full array LED and XR contrast booster, precisely controlled backlighting brings out real life depth and detail with deep blacks and high peak brightness. BRAVIA Core, bring the cinematic experience home. Enjoy streaming high quality movies included with BRAVIA Core, exclusively on select Sony TVs. Perfect for PlayStation 5, get the most out of your gaming with BRAVIA XR TVs featuring exclusive features for the PS5 console along with 4K/120 FPS as specified in HDMI 2.1 and input lag as low as 8.5 milliseconds. Works with Alexa, through an Alexa-enabled device, ask Alexa to change channels. Now number 3, Samsung Neo 75-inch 4K Smart TV with Alexa built-in, quantum matrix technology, Samsung Neo quantum processor, object tracking sound. Nothing can prepare you for the experience of our premium Samsung Neo QLED 4K TVs. Neo slim design offers beautiful lines and a gradually curved back panel make this TV the perfect complement to any room. Let's look quick features of this item. Quantum matrix technology with mini LED, a brilliantly intense picture powered by tiny hyper-focused light cells. Samsung Neo quantum processor 4K, upgrade every picture to 4K with multi-layered neural networks. Quantum HDR 24x, vivid colors that jump off the screen provide dynamic contrast. The range of Quantum HDR claims luminance based on internal testing standards and is subject to change according to viewing environment or specific conditions. Alexa built-in, ask more from your TV. Just ask Alexa to open apps, change the channel, search for movies and shows, play music, control your smart home devices and more. To talk to Alexa, press and hold the mic button on your remote. And now number 2, LG C177-inch 4K Smart TV with OLED display, Game Optimizer, Google Assistant and Alexa built-in, Home Cinema Experience. LG C1 series with advanced gaming technology like NVIDIA G-Sync, self-lit pixels emit their own light for perfect black, intense color, and stunning picture paired with best processor for even better picture quality. LG C1 series has some special features like OLED display, watch your content come to life in over 8 million pixels. Each pixel turns on and off independently so you'll see your content with perfect black, over a billion rich colors and infinite contrast for a viewing experience like no other. A 9 Gen 4 AI processor 4K, picture and sound adjustment happen automatically with our best processor. The A9 Gen 4 AI processor 4K uses deep learning algorithms to detect scenes and genres to make your content look its best no matter what or when you're watching. Google Assistant and Alexa built-in, there's no need for an extra device, just ask your TV for music, weather, news, your Amazon shopping list, and more. Plus, conveniently control your connected home and smart devices. Home Cinema Experience, get breathtaking picture and audio that makes you feel like you're in the action with Cinema HDR, Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos. See movies exactly how directors intended with Filmmaker mode. And with built-in access to Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV+, Disney and LG channels. And our last product is Samsung Neo QN900A QLED 8K TV with Quantum Matrix technology, Samsung Neo Quantum processor, infinity screen, Alexa built-in. The QN900A series QLED 8K TV is Samsung's best of the best, and it shows there are some unique features of Samsung Neo that reach at top of our list. So now looks unique features of this item. Quantum Matrix technology with mini LED, a brilliantly intense picture powered by tiny hyper-focused light cells. Samsung Neo Quantum Processor 8K, upgrade every picture to 8K with multi-layered neural networks. Infinity Screen, immerse yourself in the stunning sharpness and depth of 8K on an expansive, nearly edge-to-edge screen. Object Tracking Sound Plus, dynamic sound that tracks and follows on-screen action. Quantum HDR 64x, witness extreme brilliance across the spectrum for lifelike colors. The range of Quantum HDR claims luminance based on internal testing standards and is subject to change according to viewing environment or specific conditions. Real 8K resolution, see details within the details with incredible clarity, upscales to 8K resolution. Resulting picture may vary based on source content. Alexa built-in, ask more from your TV. Just ask Alexa to open apps, change the channel, search for movies and shows, play music, control your smart home devices and more. To talk to Alexa, press and hold the mic button on your remote. However, you need to purchase the correct one as indicated by your necessities, so what do you think? If you think this video is helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. If you have any more suspicions or inquiries, get in touch with us in our comments section. Our specialists will reply to you immediately. Thank you for watching this video.